I clicked on Facebook yesterday to go onto my business page, and I seen a photo of my old school mates in Marbella at Ocean Beach. I think it's what it's called. And they're all lying there on these lounges with bottles of champagne, with a pair of swim shorts on, hugging, lying on top of each other. And I looked at the video, the photo, and I thought, oh my God, I've never ever seen or come to myself that how sad, gay and pathetic that is. A load of pissed up men getting drunk, like feminines trying to seek some kind of pleasure, lying over each other on fucking sun lounges, drinking champagne, thinking they've made it. And I'm not saying this to be judgmental, but or that I have anything wrong with my mates, because they are my mates, but how very, very sad it is. It was just kind of awkward to watch, like that they were trying to seek some kind of approval or look at me, and half of them are drinking, partying every week and don't even have a penny to show for it. And yet they're lying on top of each other, sweaty men. Been to the gym 3 times before they went away to try and look good, to try and impress somebody, and I'm just glad I'm in that place right now that, no, I'm not wanting to be judgmental, but those who have been through it, dedicated themselves to themselves, pulled themselves away from it, regardless of these flipping beach parties and whatever. It's all designed to make you fail. And yeah, it might be fun. Yeah, it might be good to hook up with women and whatever, but in reality, it's just very, very sad. Have you sacrificed yourself this summer? Have you given it all up? Regardless of the fun, the weather, it's nice, it's been hot here, but yet you've chose to walk the lonely, almost dark path, questioning yourself. God, shouldn't I be going out having fun? Shouldn't I, maybe I should be on holiday drinking champagne. Done enough work, put enough effort into myself, but yet you stay true, regardless of what everyone else is doing. Because in reality, it doesn't mean anything. And for a man at my age, 40, drinking, partying, hooking up with women, living a life of pure and utter sin every single weekend, is only leading to one thing, and that's death. I don't want to be part of that anymore. I don't want to live that way. This false ideology, thinking that it's cool, whereas it's never been life, never was life. It's just the devil's way of luring you in, thinking you're cool, when really you look like a fucking loser.